How to create PayPal account in Ghana and any other ineligible country. The rare truth is being revealed in this video. Now there has been a lot of talks, a lot of videos on YouTube here, people showing people how to create PayPal account even if you are not in an eligible country. So I decided to follow those steps to create my own PayPal account, and by following these steps I was able to create this PayPal account here. As you can see here, this is for my store, I tech store, and this is the account that I created. But after creating the account, for creating the account, it's possible that you can create an account, but one thing that we should all know is that after you create an account, PayPal will review your account to see if it meets their requirements and everything that they need from you. So getting your PayPal account is very normal. You can create an account. By getting PayPal to verify your account from ineligible country is the problem. So let me scroll down and show you what happens after I created the account. So after creating the account, this is the message I got from PayPal. Okay, this is the message that I got from PayPal. After a review, we have decided to permanently limit your account due to potential risks. You will not be able to conduct any further business using PayPal. So after creating your account and then the review, this is exactly what you are going to get if you are not in eligible country. So please, all those videos on YouTube show you guys how to create PayPal account is not very real. So please don't waste your time on creating PayPal account if you are not in a eligible country. If you want to use PayPal, just connect to someone outside or someone who is in eligible country for his account to transact your business. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and like. See you. Bye bye.